You won't believe this is just a drawing. Pause. The secret to a flawless 3D illusion is here. Are you ready to learn the viral trick behind this building? Step 1 is building the core illusion framework. We draw the top surface of the cube with 4 6cm sides. We add 3 10cm slanted sides for depth. And finally, 2 4cm lines complete the base. This is our building's foundation. We divide the top surface into 36 small 1cm squares. This grid is essential for the building's realistic texture. Using this grid, we extend lines down and sideways to divide the larger left and bottom surfaces into 6 unequal sections. This defines the structure's step design. From here, we make every line permanent and bold. This adds massive dimension. Short pause. If you've learned a trick today, hit that like button so more artists can see this. We've arrived at the most rewarding part, final rendering and shading. We use deep shadows and highlights to create genuine depth. Remember, the correct contrast between light and shadow is the key to the illusion. Finally, we add the cast shadow of the entire cube onto the paper. This last detail seals the illusion, making the structure look like it's genuinely lifted off the surface. The process is complete. We carefully trim the excess paper to finalize the setup. Car motion and camera rotation. Incredible, right? Make sure to subscribe to the channel and tell me what you thought in the comments.